Hi everyone, we are Hot Wheels. So let me introduce the team. I am Ellery, a data science major. And then we have Eric, a computer science major, Riley, who is a software development major, and then Samantha, who is also a computer science major. So Hot Wheels is a sponsored project with the company Air Power Racing. Air Power Racing is an independent racing preparation company that is specialized in Porsches. They do race day preparation, vehicle maintenance, and vehicle restoration on these Porsches. But they are also expanding their work at this time to street vehicles.
Okay, so a little bit about our project. Airpower Racing's previous website was outdated, impractical, and didn't serve their staff or clients in the way that a modern system would. Upon learning more about the company and their objectives, we decided to take on the challenge of creating a digitized platform for race-oriented and mechanical paperwork, digital payment processing, an e-commerce platform for listing warehouse parts and vehicles, and online reservations. Airpower Racing knew they were wasting company resources by manually performing these processes and saw the need to adapt with the times with a modern online platform. Some of the features of this system we were able to implement include track day scheduling for clients and just general management. So this includes scheduling, signing up and reserving track days, recording paperwork, and paying online. So this allows Airpower Racing to not have to allocate a staff member to handle this, and instead clients are able to access it 24/7 and can do everything on their own. We were also able to implement various calendars, which allow clients and staff members to stay up to date and know what's coming up. We were able to implement a digitized paperwork system, which allows staff members to upload client documents, and clients are able to access these as necessary. We were also able to implement a photo gallery, which allows clients to see previous races they took part in and show off what Airpower Racing does, which is pretty cool. And we were also able to implement an online store, which mostly had functionality for selling Airpower Racing's warehouse parts, and they just have a lot of inventory, so they were hoping to make a few extra dollars through this, which we mostly did through Stripe. Along with that, we implemented payment processing online and ensured that clients don't have to call in or go in person to handle anything related to payments.
Here is our homepage. You can find what services we offer, learn about the history of Air Power, visit the store, catch a glimpse of the gallery, look at live race data, and see our latest Instagram posts. We are first going to demo a service inquiry. The client will fill in general information and select what day and time they are interested in scheduling for. The potential customer will then agree to our terms and services, and an email will be sent to AirPower. AirPower can then confirm the service or reach back out to offer a different date or time. Here's the public gallery where we can see the car's number or racer if we hover over a photo. We can also search for a specific car based on their race number. This is the public event calendar where we can see upcoming races or other AirPower events. Users can add events to their personal calendars if they are interested in attending. This page is dedicated to learning about all of the employees at AirPower Racing, and you can see bios such as I am the CEO. When we log in as an admin, we can change the public bio and see that reflected on the team page. Back in the admin home, we can create track bay events for upcoming races or delete ones we no longer want. To create a new track bay, we fill out some general information as well as what client. In this case, we want any client to be able to register and can now see that event. Another important employee feature is the ability to manage both race and maintenance documents. As an admin, we're going to find a work order to fill out. After it has been filled out, the employee will then upload and assign the paperwork to a client we will look at momentarily. As a logged-in client, we can see all my AirPower service vehicles. If I click on a vehicle, any related documents will be shown. The freshly uploaded work order can be seen here. If we want to add a new vehicle, I can press the button and fill out relevant information. Then let's say I change my mind and I can go ahead and delete that vehicle. Clicking on Documents shows all maintenance files, including past vehicles, as you can see with the bolts file. If I'd like to race, I can register for a race by finding any available slots. As you can see, this is the race slot we had just made in the admin side. After entering card information and receiving verification, the slot will turn red, indicating that the slot has been booked. The client can also examine race history documents and search for files associated with specific races. Any private photos can be found in My Photos and downloaded. Now time for store functionality. As an admin, you can upload car parts, cars for sale, or APR merch. To upload a part, the admin will create a product in Stripe and then pull it onto the website. Now that the wheels have successfully been pulled, as a client, we'll see here in a second, we can find them in the store. The store offers filters to make shopping easier for the customer, such as price or maybe condition. And then we will go ahead and add the wheels that we just uploaded to the cart. Pay with Stripe. And then an order ID will be assigned to the purchase and handed off to the employees.
Everyone, I'm Eric, and I'll walk you through the technical side of our project for AirPower Racing. We built our entire platform using Bubble.io, which handled both the front end and back end. One of the big reasons we chose it was because it makes future updates super easy for the AirPower team. That was really important to us for the long-term handoff. Our database lives inside Bubble and follows a relational SQL style structure, which gave us the flexibility we needed to track users, cars, events, and store inventory. We also used Bubble's API connector to pull in external services and create custom workflows like order confirmations, dynamic product listings, and admin alerts. We integrated Stripe for payments, which gave a secure, easy-to-use checkout functionality that ties directly into the online store. So all of the keys, systems, scheduling, e-commerce paperwork are connected and centralized. On the engineering side, we follow a Kanban style workflow, which helps us stay organized and iterate quickly as a team. Tasks moved through to-do, doing, and done columns, and we regroup regularly to prioritize what came next. Over the course of the semester, we completed 154 issues and used GitLab to track all of our progress. A lot of validation logic and testing were built directly into Bubble workflows, which gave us quick feedback loops and helped us catch problems early. We also talked with about 5 core users from AirPower Racing throughout the project, and their feedback played a big role in shaping what we built, especially features like digital paperwork and event scheduling, which are high priorities for the workflow. To wrap things up, this project wasn't just about building a cool site. It was about solving real problems for a small, specialized business. We focused on what mattered most to AirPower Racing, making it easier to coordinate track days, letting customers shop online, and reducing the time they spent managing forms and admin work. Everything was built to be clean, modern, and easy to maintain. And because it's all powered by Bubble with flexible API integrations, the platform is set to grow with their needs. We're proud that we're able to deliver something that checks their most important boxes and even more excited that it's something they can start using right away. Before we finish, we just want to say a big thanks to Professor David Bean and our TAs Carly and Abhishek for all of your guidance and support this semester. Whether it's design feedback, technical help, or just keeping us focused, we really appreciated it. And now we're super excited to share this at Demo Day and see what everyone else has built too. Thanks again, and we hope you enjoy checking it out.